Not hardly. It does make for a terrible April Fool's joke, doesn't it? Let's ride. Well, in case there is any doubt, we are not selling the Spider. Just an April Fool's joke, guys. So what have we been up to the past few months? Well, it's been wintertime. It's been cold. It's been wet and lots of excuses. And generally, we've been working around the house trying to play some catch up. It's amazing. You spend the first half of your life collecting stuff, and then it seems like the second half of your life trying to get rid of all that stuff. So that's what we're doing, just sort of downsizing and becoming more practical and planning for some trips in the future. Don't have anything really ironed out solid yet, but we got some trips in the pot, so to speak. Miriam's back has still been giving her a lot of grief. She's going to physical therapy. She's got a team of doctors looking at her back, and it's just, it's one of those things where it's just irritating, the pain level. So, trying to get on the Spider for any extended period of time, or even sitting in a car for an extended period of time, is uncomfortable. I dare say I think that perhaps the Alaska trip I may have broke her, but we hope not. And we're getting ready for some just renovations around the house, time to upgrade some things, so that's going to take up some time, but we hope to get on the road here and sort of getting ready. So one of the things that I'm doing is going over to our storage unit and going to pull the Freedom trailer out of storage and kind of get it ready for the riding season. I really like the Freedom trailer. I like the simplicity of it. I like the design. It sort of complements the lines of the Spider. And sadly, Can-Am is not currently producing the Freedom trailer. There are plenty of new units still in inventory. I believe the last year that I can find production records of is 2022, but there are still out there. Dealerships are offering them if you Google them, and plenty of used inventory also. But no, we're not selling our trailer either, so we plan on using it for the foreseeable future. But I also wanted to mention, we got an email from a gentleman. We were contacted by Rusty. Rusty hails from New Jersey. He told us that he recently retired and acquired a Can-Am Spider and is currently on the road heading out from his home to do US 66. And since this is the anniversary, the 100th anniversary of Route 66, so I'm a bit envious. I really am, but maybe one day Miriam and I could get out there and do 66 from start to finish and come back via 50. I just have this fondness for those roads. Anyway, he also stated he's doing a YouTube channel. He's a startup YouTuber. You can check out his first video, and I'll put the name of the channel here in the comments or on the screen, because it has slipped my mind what the actual channel name is. But anyway, share the love and if you get a chance, check out his channel. Man, she is a little dirty. And I've also noticed there are some creature tracks. Probably raccoon. And fortunately they have not gotten into the nose cone here is styrofoam. And they have not gotten in there. They love to go in there and eat things. But looks like they stayed out. One of the other sub projects I got to do to the trailer, besides cleaning it, is need to get some flags to go in the back area here. When we were up in Alaska, we ran across several people who were on the road with their Can-Am Spyder. Several of them were towing the trailer, and they were traveling as a group, and all of their trailers had damage to the rear end. They kept saying they just kept being rear-ended when they were traffic lights and such. So they have very large orange flags in the back of their trailers now. I know Coach Bob had a problem with his trailer, so that's one of the projects I'm going to tackle for the trailer. Much better.
Looks good.
Yeah, she does look a little bit better. Now I got to work on the Spyder, but I have noticed one thing though. It has a unique smell.
Smell?
Yeah, it smells like adventure. Well guys, the Freedom trailer is back in our storage unit. Went ahead and checked the wheel bearings and inspected the tires. Everything's looking good on those. And next we got to pull out the Stinger trailer and get it ready for a trip or two this year. So the weather is finally beginning to turn around. It's today's in the 70s. Of course, that doesn't mean it can't snow next week. That's just the nature of our locale. Anyway, until then, guys, we will see you later. Bye-bye.
We don't know where we're going, we just want to get gone.